What's good, yo? It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. Right now, we're gonna check out two music videos. iKON U, which came out like I think from when I just now recorded 6 days ago. They came out with a performance version too. I might check it out on Twitch later today. Join us. We're gonna be checking out K-pop, chilling, doing our thing on Twitch. If you haven't followed me on Twitch, I don't know what you're doing. We're gonna check out iKON U first, then we're gonna check out Gidle. Is it IDLE or Gidle? Because I remember when they did an introduction for one of my videos. I don't know if I can find it. If you can find it, Dre, editor Dre. Well, enough talking from me. Let's have Gidle introduce this video. What's up, Gidle?
Hi guys, we are Gidle, and you're watching JRE.
I'm JRE. So, is it IDLE in Korea and then maybe Gidle globally? I don't know. You could correct me. I feel like I had this conversation already. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. If you haven't liked this video already, what are you doing? What's poppin'? Support the homie, you know what I'm saying? And let's get into this, shall we? Play my intro. Guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to Dre Day, my new channel where I'll be interviewing some of my friends, some artists, just casual friend stuff. You never know who's gonna appear on that channel, so go subscribe to it. But without further ado, iKON U MV, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Captions on. Oh, that's that's like iconic iKON shirt. Oh, iconic iKON, of course. Iconic iKON shirt. That's a throwback right there. Oh, I like that. Is that a fuzzy lamp? You know what's crazy about this? I'm sorry, I don't care. I know everybody. Oh, that's the towel too. That's the towel too. But anyways, I don't know. I think my legs are too short to reach the floor when I'm laying down. Sometimes, depending on the bed frame. Yeah, depending on the bed. Never mind. Anyways, moving on. Let's go again. All right, iconic. Everything's iconic. Bobby's iconic. His shoes in your bedroom. What the? Passing all the red lights, trying to get to me. Ready? Ooh, I love his voice. Your sexy curves make me heart go damn right. Wait, say what again? There is no need to sound it out with all your body, just own it. With all your body. Oh, she healthy thick. She healthy, she thicky. She got them curves. Ooh, the drums though. Kicking off. Ooh. What you trying to taste? Oh, god dang. What's good? What's good? What happened? Engine problems? We need to fix this. That's fire. That was nice, that was nice. Aww. Oh, it's very summery vibes. Perfect. Ooh. Potty just for you? You ever like, you know, just stop in the middle of the road and just start dancing and doing a cover or doing it like choreo? Me. Dang, you gotta push that whole van? Only for you though. They gonna be pushing. This is legit the reason like, yo, my parents ain't home. You know, and then all the homes get in the van. Was that gas station? Yeah, that was a gas station. Ooh, let's go, Bobby. Ooh. No kidding. Not the little. Ooh. I need you. I need ya. Close your eyes and place your hands on my neck. Ooh, close your eyes and place your hands on my neck. Hey, man. We don't kink shame on this channel, but hey. Hey, yo. Ooh. What you trying to taste, though? 1,000. I believe it. Oh my god. He got the arm strength of a than most baseball pitchers. Throw an arrow through a wall, a brick wall. Only for you, only for you. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh. We throwing a party just for you, girl. Or guy. Oh, it's a festival. Ooh, an iKON festival though. Ooh, that flag though, that sign. Ooh, he gave that little Taeyong kind of vibe, right? Little little MJ. Ooh. I was able to see iKON live. I think last year at that camp festival, which we not speak about. Ooh, they were so lit, by the way. Best of the night. They killed it. Ooh, is that Winnie the Pooh in his pants? On his? Oh, it is. It is. That's cute. That's cute. Damn. Okay, light sticks. That's an interesting light stick. The bat. I kind of want one. I don't have one. Dang. That marshmallow was hot coming out of Bobby's mouth. You saw that? You saw the you saw the freaking steam that came out of his mouth. Hold up. Not trying to focus on his mouth, but hey, yo, that is hot. But you know it's so good still, so you still eat it and you burn your mouth and the roof of your mouth at the same time. Jeez. Oh, that thing burnt, my boy. That thing burnt right there. You can still eat it. It probably still tastes good. Any of my followers like actually camping? Like, is this more camping or tailgating? I'm not sure. It's more like camping, right? Since it's night. They look lost. They look lost. Let's go, iKON. Coming back strong. Let's get it. Give it up in the comments. Why am I asking? Well, I'm talking like it's Twitch. Give it up, y'all. iKON killed it with that, giving that party vibes, that summer vibes that we all need. We need to just relax and just party sometimes. Sometimes we got too much drama in our life, and sometimes it just takes over, our mental. So we just need to take a step back and just have like a little treat yourself type of party. You know what I'm saying? Get you that burger, get you that cookies. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna hurt. Just a little one, just one. Don't get like a 6-stack like I do. But I share mine. iKON, you, so good, such a fresh feeling. Put the comments down below what you guys think of iKON's You. Again, like this video, guys. And let's go on to video number 2. G-Idle. Now, based on like the teaser, it seems like it's like one of those like 90s rom-com movies where like it's the nerdy friend, I guess. I didn't really I only watch the teaser once, but it seems like Soyeon is like the nerdy friend that they're trying to like make. I don't know, like like those montages in those movies. It seems like that situation, but it seems like she doesn't want to. She wants to just be herself. Go against beauty standards. I think that's what I'm getting. So let's follow the journey of G-Idle, Allergy. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. She got them cute glasses on. Oh. Oh damn. Sorry, I used to have this phone. Sorry. But it's like modern notifications. Yo, Instagram, low-key a hater as well, but I do keep. It's the same thing with like Twitter. I still keep it just to keep up with the news and keep up with my friends that I don't have the numbers of. But Instagram is it's socially draining, mentally draining. TikTok, I still like TikTok. Oh. Okay. Ooh. What the Y2K? Aww. Please give me the hate button. Oh. Damn. Ooh. Like a pop punk rock Avril Lavigne type of vibe. Dang. Got some drama. What's happening? My mirror allergy. Interesting. How to be a queen. I also wants to dance hype boy. Like new jeans. But I look like a tomboy. Ooh. The best doctors. Even yeah, that's right. I might stay single till nah. You know what? You know, there's a line. There's a line. Yeah. Oh. I just realized I think I'm wearing the same glasses as you. Kinda. Not really. I use this better. You know what's crazy? Yeah. You know those popular, like super popular influencers, usually they're just on their phones bored, just like, not all of them, but a good amount of them are just like socially awkward, I'm not gonna lie. It's just, you know, it is what it is. Oh my god, the drama. At 10. It is true. Instagram really does influence you, good ways and bad. Look at her like rock out. Ah. Rude. Oh. I don't know. Her and her glasses and throwing out that paper plane kind of remind me on some Taylor Swift-ish, like early Taylor Swift. Ah.
Take a deep breath.
Oh, is she getting it?
You'll slowly fall asleep, and when you wake up, you will be a queen.
Next episode, Queen card. Oh. Oh, mini album releasing on the 15th. Oh my god, that's in 5 days. Interesting. So she ended up getting plastic surgery? Or now, if you do get plastic surgery, I'm not trying to shame you for not, you know, whatever makes you happy, but you know, just know that you are beautiful no matter what. Not that it doesn't matter coming from me, but yeah, I feel like everybody is beautiful in their own way. Sometimes Instagram, sometimes you gotta turn that ish off. I gotta turn that ish off sometimes because your boy, listen, you know, you start comparing yourself to other people that you want to get like this, that, and this, but it's not. You just gotta be you. Stand out on your own. That's what makes it really beautiful, when someone is like their own person, but that's kind of hard to find. Finding your own like aura, your own color, your own wave. Like, I mean, there are people that like, you know, they do copy people's, like, obviously a lot of people copy people's fashion or how they look, but also hopefully it does lead up to you finding your own self too. Self-love kind of ish. But dang, Allergy, Mirror Allergy. The song does speak about a lot of important issues that all of us can relate to, and I love that G-IDLE is like spreading awareness that a lot of our youth, even myself, that are dealing with today. Put a comment down below what you guys think of G-IDLE's new track Allergy. Very pop punk rock, kind of Avril Lavigne feel, like I said before. Their new album, mini album's coming out like pretty soon with Queen Card. Queen Card is like the album name or like the single. I'm not actually quite sure. Be sure to leave a comment down below, like this video, share this video, and subscribe, guys. I'll be Twitch streaming later today, K-pop and chill. We're just gonna be chilling. If you want to vibe and hang out, come through. It's gonna be 6 p.m. PST, and yeah, I'll see you guys to the next video, next Instagram or TikTok. It's your boy JRE from JREKML. Bunch of dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.